Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add contacts manually in Hubspot CRM. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Hubspot CRM web account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Hubspot CRM? It's pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type hubspot.com. It's going to take you to the official website for Hubspot. In the website, check the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the Get CRM for Free button. Click on that and follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in HubSpot CRM. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to add contacts manually in HubSpot. Now from this homepage, check the top corner of your screen. You're going to find a couple subheadings here: contacts, conversations, marketing, sales, customer service, automation, and reports. And go ahead and click on contact. You're going to find an extended menu: contacts, companies, calls, activity feeds, and lists. Go ahead and click on contacts. And once you do that, it's going to take you to the contacts window, which of course we're coming right in. It is loading up. Awesome. So now that we're here, let's hop into how we can add contacts manually in HubSpot. Now remember, apart from adding contact manually, you can definitely import contacts by using the import button right here. But let's see how we can add this contact manually. So go ahead and click on create contact. So click on the create contact button, and that's going to take you to the create contacts window. All right, so here is your contact form, and you see that the create contact form is loading right up. Once it's done, you're going to see the step-by-step processes that you need to take to create a contact manually. Okay, so there's a problem. Okay, let's go ahead and refresh this. All right, so the contact form is right up. So here you're going to have to add the email, all right, of the person that you want to add. Okay, so can't really think of any email right now because such person, what's coming to my mind, like I've added a person before. So, but let me just try that in. So let's see, this is it. Coming over here, you're going to add the first name of this person. Okay, so add the last name of the person. All right, see, that person has been added before because that's literally the only email I can think of. So here you go, contact owner. So you can click on this and change the contact owner. That's myself. And then the next thing is you're going to have to check in, or you have to write the, okay, that's the contact owner. So I'm just going to click out and type in the job title for this person. All right. And then the phone number for this person, enter that in. Okay. So the next step is the life cycle stage. You're going to have to decide that where exactly in the life cycle is this person. So type that, and then the lead status, just click on this drop down menu and choose the lead status for this contact. So once you are done, you're going to see that this button called create will be enabled. So go ahead and click on create, and once you create, that contact is going to be added to this list of contacts. If you want to create and add another, you can just go ahead and click on this option to create, and the contact form is going to display again for you to add another contact. So this is pretty much the process. You're going to click on this cancel button, and that's just going to be it. So you can go by the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you begin to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.